Tomorrow, PAX Gold could increase by 4%, crypto predictions indicates. First, here's a glimpse of the recent price direction. Today, PAX Gold has gone down 0.8% and is now sitting around $4,588.90. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. By tomorrow, crypto prediction says we might be at $4,774.48, which reflects a gain of about 4%. PAX Gold is expected to move higher to $4,686.35, according to Traders Union, a gain near 2.1%. CoinCodex highlights the possibility of approaching $4,614.38, a potential increase near 0.6%. A different forecast by CoinDataFlow shows PAX Gold could move down toward $4,479.99, a projected decrease close to 2.4%. Finally, 30 rates forecast a fall to $4,262 by tomorrow, 7.1% down. This one gives the best return. The 5 predictions are complete. Let's carry on. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. Looking across the forecast from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a decline of 7.1% and a rise of 4%, depending on the analyst. It turns out 30 rates has the highest expected return with 7.1% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $6 and $71 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, CoinCodex's forecast is the most dependable, with a 63.1% chance of success. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. The combined forecast position PAX Gold close to $4,563.44, showing stability. Now, let's zoom in on the numbers. The consensus trend signals a 0.6% decline by tomorrow. Simply expressed, your capital may also move higher by about 0.6% in step with that change. With $1,000 invested, the potential upside could be about $6. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 63.1%. At this point, let's review where analysts think the market is heading in the coming 3 days. In line with this, crypto predictions projects continued growth. Upside potential is meanwhile noted by Traders Union, who stays optimistic. CoinCodex expects no major shifts in the near term. CoinDataFlow suggests bearish momentum will dominate. Also, 30 rates anticipates downward movement in the near term. According to the consensus, PAX Gold is expected to decline during this horizon. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that PAX Gold is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the next day. That day has passed, so let's see how they turned out. As a result, the day's market action settled at $4,615.80. Yesterday showed that none of the 5 forecasts matched the trend. If we judge by accuracy, CoinCodex had the strongest forecast. Time to organize the results. The daily price span included 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, several analysts posted positive results, and CoinCodex was the best among them. And now take a moment to look at the summary table. It shows how every forecast held up. For reference, CoinPrice Forecast posted a forecast probability of 51.6%, $88.20 accuracy, and minus 0.2% ROI. Look at the numbers and decide who performed best. Now let's take a closer look at how tomorrow's forecasted profitability differs between PAX Gold and the rest. In this comparison, Bitcoin comes first with 2.2%, ahead of PAX Gold. Here we're looking at PAX Gold next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability comparison is now live on my website. Subscribe now so you're the first to see how forecasts shift tomorrow. Talk to you soon.